So guys, I'm going to talk about a lot of people when they get lower back pain. I'm going to show you the lines that are really good to release. So there's two lines that are really good to release. One is looking at the adductors, because the adductors go up into the deep front line, and they are part of the deep front line, which then goes up into your psoas major and minor, which are muscles that support the back of our core cylinder and through the middle of our core cylinder. So we're going to roll out adductors, but the other thing I want to roll out is I want to roll out through this lateral line, because that goes down to the outside of our back into our thoracolumbar fascia. So these two rolling patterns are great if you've got particular back pain. So one of them, so rolling into your adductors, rolling this way and then coming up and down and then straightening your leg. You can do that a couple of times, coming up into there, rolling backwards and forwards, up and down, and then coming down. Just really watch your lower back positioning. So you want to make sure you're quite comfortable. After you've done both sides, then we can come up and into that lat area of rolling through and side to side. And then if your neck is okay, and only if your neck is okay, you can come into there, okay? Rolling backwards and forwards. And then one of the things that the guys have liked doing as a mobilization is then taking your legs up and going from side to side with your head going the other way, but remember to always stay within your bubble. You never want to be doing anything. So if you've got particular back issues, you need to be doing this very slowly and mindfully, so you can pick up and stop when you need to before you move into any danger zone. And then the last one, and I'm going to get my gorgeous cameraman to stand up for me. So, and then from here, the mobilization you want to do for your lat line is then stepping one leg forward and coming over. So you get that nice mobilization, once again, nice and slowly, nice and mindfully into those lat lines that go down into here, which are part of our functional myofascial lines.